Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, I bought myself these two ratchet bit and socket sets and they cost me €5 each. So they are perfect as a gift for Christmas, a birthday, Father's Day. I'm gonna show you them very quickly, so let's open it up and see what we have here. Move these aside. First we take a look at this orange socket set, and that's very tiny. Very handy to keep this whole set in a drawer or something. Can move direction here. Feels okay, feels nice. Parkside logo on there. Oh, we have this extender, and it doesn't fit in here. We need, I think, this adapter. Other side around. And then move it like this. Yeah. And then you can use these sockets. You don't need the extender. You can also put it directly on here. Yeah. Nice. Now let me show the sizes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And you can also see all the bit sets here. So very nice. Also very nice as a gift for Christmas. So yeah, it's very cheap, but everything is there. Let's take a look at the other set. I'm not gonna try them out, I'm just showing them. It's almost the same set, only in a different way with this screwdriver model. Oh, almost dropped it. This feels a little cheaper than the other one. But if it works, it works. Rubberized hand grip. Also this extension for the bits. All magnetic. Also with the other one, all magnetic. Adapter. So you can add these sockets. Only those sockets come in different sizes, I see already. Let's put it back in here. Here you can see the sizes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So these two sets, €5 each, perfect as a gift, especially for Christmas. Now, if you like this video, please give it a like. I hope I showed you this product in a better way than in a picture. Now, I will not put a link in the description because Lidl shop has different shops in every country, different prices and different products. So you have to Google it for yourself. Just go to your local Lidl online web shop or your local supermarket and see if they have them. In my country, they were €5 each and they seem to be very nice, very handy to have. You can stack them together. Now, if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.